Hello students, good morning and welcome to our new chapter of English Grammar. Children, our new chapter is chapter number 10. Chapter number 10 is doing words. Today we'll see doing words. Now first let me explain you what are doing words. Children, doing words are also known as verbs or action words. Okay? Now, the definition. Action words or doing words tell us what a person or an animal is doing. All action words or doing words are called verbs. Now children, see, action words or doing words. These words tell us what a person or animal is doing. Whatever action is going on, whatever work is going on, those all words are called action words or doing words. Whatever we are doing. Like this time we are studying, so study is a doing word, okay? It is called doing word. If we are sitting, sitting is a doing word, okay? So whatever work we are doing, whatever work a person or animal is doing, it is called doing word or action word, okay children? Now some examples. I see a bird. What work is going on? What action is going on? See. We are seeing a bird. I am seeing a bird. So, see is a action word. It's a doing word. Next is we play cricket. What we are doing? We are playing cricket. So, play is a doing word. Mother cooks food. What work is mother doing? She is cooking food. So cook is a doing word. And Millie drinks water. What Millie is doing? She is drinking water. So drink is a doing word. Okay children? Now some more examples. Kick. A boy is kicking the ball. So kick, dig, laugh, cook, smile, talk, dive, paint, play, all these are action words or doing words. Okay children? Now we'll see the book. Let us see the first page of the book. The first page tells us, look at the pictures. What are the people doing in each picture? Underline the correct word. Children, to understand this, you have to first open your book. So, all of you open your book, chapter number 10, and see and concentrate whatever I am telling you. In the first page, some pictures are given, and along with pictures, 3 different words are given. Okay? See for example, the first picture, a girl is there. She is doing something. 3 options are given. Dive, run, jump. Okay? So see the picture carefully. Whatever the girl is doing, you have to underline the correct word. Okay? First word is dive. See, the girl is diving. Diving means to jump in the water. Okay? Second one is run. Run you all know. And third one is jump. Jump also you all know. So see the picture, what the girl is doing? She is running. Okay? So underline the word run. Now, the next picture. A boy. He is falling down. A banana peel is there. His leg goes upon the banana peel and he fell down. So what happened? 3 words are again given: slip, swim, dance. Now see, what is the correct word for this? Slip. So the boy slips on the banana peel. In the same way, you have to see all the pictures, recognize the correct word and underline it. In the third picture, the girl is jumping. So you have to underline jump. In the fourth picture, the boy is pushing the almirah. He is pushing the cupboard. And the words are eat. Is he eating? No. Drink. Is he drinking? Is he drinking something? No. Then what is he doing? He is pushing. So we'll underline the word push. So children, in the same way, you have to do the first page of your book. Okay? Now, turn the page. The next page, read these sentences and take note of the words in color. What you have to do? You have to read the sentences, and in every sentence a word is in different color. So you have to notice that word. Okay? See the first picture, some birds are there, and what is written? Birds fly in the sky. Okay? And see the word in different color. It's fly. Fly is doing word. Why? Because what the birds are doing? They are flying. The next picture, dogs bark in the street. What the dogs are doing? They are barking. So bark is a doing word. What is the meaning of bark, children? Bark is voice of dogs. Okay? Next is stars shine at night. What the stars do? They shine at night. So shine is a doing word. Next picture, he drinks milk every day. What is the doing word here? Yes, very good. Drinks. Because what the man is doing? He is drinking milk. Next is Ganesh plays cricket. What is the doing word in this sentence? Plays. Because Ganesh used to play cricket. So play is a doing word. Ships sail in the sea. What the ships used to do? They used to sail. So sail is a doing word. So children, in the following sentences, fly, bark, shine, drinks, plays, sail, what all these are? These all words are doing words. Okay children? So doing words say what persons, animals or things do. Okay? Whatever persons, animals or things used to do, those all words are called doing words. Now next page, exercises are given. Question number A. Look at the pictures and underline the doing words in the sentences below. What you have to do? You have to see the picture, read the sentences and underline the doing words. See, for example, first one is done. The sun rises in the east. What is the doing word in this sentence? Rises. So the word rises is underlined. Now, in the same way, read the sentence, rest of the sentences, read it and underline the doing words. See, second sentence, the boy swims every day. What the boy is doing? He is swimming. Okay, so what is the doing word? Swims. So children, underline swims. See the next picture. We watch television in the evening. What we used to do? What we used to do in the evening? We used to watch the television. So watch is a doing word. I eat bread in the morning. So in this sentence, what work is going on? Eating. So eat is a doing word. Trees give us shade. In this sentence, give is a doing word. And potters carry bags and suitcases. So in this sentence, carry is a doing word. Understood, children? Now question number B. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with doing words. Choose from the box below. One has been done for you. In question number B, some helping words are given in the box. Now what you have to do? You have to see the picture, read the sentence, choose the correct word from the box and fill it. Okay? First one is done. The boy is riding a cycle. So the word which is written is rides. Okay? Now see the second picture. Two boys are playing tennis. Ahmed and Ganesh. Two boys. The name of the boys are Ahmed and Ganesh. Dash table tennis in the evening. So what we will write? We will write play because they used to play the tennis. The moon dash at night. The next picture, the moon dash at night. So what the moon does at night? It used to shine. So we will write the moon shines at night. Jim always dash t-shirts. What Jim used to do? He always wears. W-E-A-R-S, wears. Jim always wears t-shirt. Gopi dash chapatis. What Gopi used to do? Eats. Gopi eats chapatis. Mary and Usha dash to school together. Mary and Isha go to school together. Okay, children? So, listen carefully and fill all the blanks. Okay? Now next, some rules. What are the rules? Rules are adding S and ES. In doing words, where we will add S and where we will add ES. See the rules. After he, she, it and singular naming words like boy, the dog, etc., we add S or ES to the doing words. So children, where we will add or ES? Where we will add S or ES? We will add with the sentence which is starting from he, she, it. Okay? Whatever sentence, whichever sentence will start from he, she, it or singular naming words. Whatever singular naming words are there, like the boy, the dog, or whatever is singular naming words, along with it we'll use S or ES in the doing words. Okay? And where we will not use? After I, you, we and plural naming words like girls, boys, etc. we do not add s or es. And whatever sentence starting with I, you, we or sentences having plural naming words like boys, girls, whatever plural naming words are there, along with it we will not use s or es in the doing words. Understood, children? Now see, some questions are there. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences below. Correct? Choose the correct form of the doing word from the brackets. Now children, look at the pictures, read the sentences. In each and every sentence, two words are given, one with s and one with es. What you have to do? Two helping words are given. One is doing word and another is doing word with s or es. So what you have to do? You have to choose the correct doing word and fill the sentence. See, we dash sweets. What we have studied just now, along with we will not use s or es. So here it's written we like sweets. Second, she dash sweets. Now what we have studied, along with she, he or it, we will use s or es. So here we will write she likes sweets. They dash hard. Now in this sentence they is plural. So we'll write here they work hard. In the next sentence, he dash hard. In this we'll write he is singular now, so we will write he works hard. He dash the computer every day. Again he is singular and along with he we will use s or es in the doing word. So we'll write here he uses the computer every day. And in the last picture, I dash the computer every day. In this, along with I, we will not use s or es. So in this sentence we'll write I use the computer every day. Okay children? Now next is fun time. What you have to do? Fill in the blanks with play or plays. In each and every sentence, either you have to write play or plays. Okay? So along with singular naming words and he, she, it, we will use s or es. And along with I, you, we and plural naming words, we will not use s or es. So in the first sentence, I play football. Second, he plays video games. She plays golf. You play the piano. They play tennis. She plays rugby. We play the guitar. They play basketball. It plays with ball. Understood children? Listen it carefully and try to fill all the sentences. Now some homework is there. Read the chapter carefully and do exercises given on page 55, 56, 57 and 58 in book. You have to do all the exercises in book. So children, I think you all have understood. Listen to the video carefully again and again. Okay children? Thank you.